anh thì click ra bill mà chị qua đó này.
So today, guys, we're going to be making slime.
No,
So first off, you want to make sure you have a bowl, a spoon, and today we're going to be using soap, glue, and borax. Usually we will use some glue and some laundry detergent, but we're just going to do this. So guys, first you want to make sure you have glue and you're going to pour it all in your bowl.
Thank you. Mom, I got it.
And you can make a little bit or a lot, or you can just use the whole container if you want to.
I got it. Got it. All of it open.
So as we wait for them to get done, we're going to get soap and we're going to add it to our bowls.
Now I want a green one. How you want? No, I want green for me. I want green. Be quiet. Mom, you want to do it? It's bad, too. It's bad. Can I do it right now?
Now, after that, you can stir it now.
We can do it now?
After you think you mix it pretty good, you want to get your borax and the 1/4 cup, and you're going to add it into your bowl.
Let me up.
Think you're supposed to pour it up.
Let me up now.
No.
Stir it up there.
That's all
After you add all your borax, make sure you stir it up. And it should start developing into slime.
Yes. What do you think? You got this off. Give me that. Yeah. And I'm gonna be the appetizer.
No one even use it on it and just show them how to make sandwich. Jeremy, keep stirring it.
So you guys, after you stir it all and it get turned into slime, you want to knead it with your hands after.
That done?
Yes, knead it with your hands.
I put the pull down.
Yeah, I think that's it.
you can add it.
Anything could be
We need to
made.
add somewhere else because Charlie would.
I can see that.
I need a blue. I need a green.
You said towards smile.
Why don't you draw one? Why not? I need the blue. Make the blue. Blue?
Yeah, it's fluffy. It's fluffy now. I put it in the mix. Fluff it out. Fluff it out like that.
So you get it, you analyze it.
So, I don't know what to do like that.
We can try to get out this sticker.
Yeah, because mine is not thrown out. Yeah, this not thrown out. Just to tell y'all, it's like mine. Really shows you. That's mine.
Oh wow. Mama.
So, okay guys, so this was a failure. I think we used too much borax,
Or we should
or we're supposed to use a half cup, not a fourth cup, who knows? We used too much tissue paper, we don't know.
But this, yeah.
This is an actual failure. See?
See? Blob. A big
This
old
is
blob.
a blob of
A blob of blue
pudding.
milk.
Let's just say pudding.
A blob. This is not just a blob.
Okay,
Look like
so
cotton candy, like a blob. A big old blob. I
Ah.
like it, but it's a blob.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to get our notifications. Bye guys.